Hi guys, if you're thinking about buying the Sony BRAVIA Projector 7, model VPL XW5100ES, make sure to check out the purchase link waiting for you in the description below. A lot of home theater enthusiasts spend months searching for the perfect projector, and Sony has built a reputation for delivering premium products that focus on picture quality above everything else. The BRAVIA Projector 7 is another example of that philosophy. Instead of trying to pack in unnecessary features, it concentrates on what matters most, producing an incredible cinematic image that transforms your living room into a true movie theater. The first feature that immediately grabs attention is the native 4K SXRD display panel. Unlike projectors that use pixel shifting to create a simulated 4K picture, this model delivers genuine 4K resolution. Every movie scene looks sharper, every landscape reveals more texture, and every close-up captures impressive detail that makes the viewing experience feel incredibly lifelike. Powering that beautiful image is Sony's advanced laser light engine. Compared to traditional lamp projectors, laser technology provides consistent brightness, quicker startup, lower maintenance, and an extremely long operating life. You can simply power it on and enjoy your favorite entertainment without worrying about replacing expensive projector lamps every few years. Picture quality is where this projector truly separates itself from many competitors. HDR content looks absolutely stunning thanks to Sony's powerful image processing. Bright highlights shine without losing detail, dark scenes maintain excellent contrast, and colors remain balanced across every frame. Whether you're watching action movies, documentaries, sports events, or streaming your favorite series, the visuals remain rich, clean, and incredibly immersive. Motion performance is equally impressive. Fast-moving scenes stay smooth and detailed, making car chases, sporting events, and fast gameplay look fluid without distracting blur. Sony's video processing helps maintain clarity even during demanding scenes, creating a viewing experience that feels polished from beginning to end. Color reproduction is another major strength. Reds appear vibrant, blues look deep, greens remain natural, and skin tones are realistic instead of oversaturated. Combined with excellent contrast performance, every image gains additional depth that makes movies feel more realistic and engaging. Black levels also deserve special recognition. Dark environments maintain impressive shadow detail while preserving deep blacks, allowing suspenseful scenes and nighttime sequences to appear exactly as filmmakers intended. This adds another layer of realism that many projectors struggle to achieve. Gamers will appreciate what this projector brings to the table as well. Native 4K resolution combined with HDR support creates breathtaking visuals on a massive screen. Racing games feel faster, adventure games become more immersive, and open-world titles showcase remarkable environmental detail. Playing on a screen this large creates an experience that's difficult to match with even premium televisions. Setup is surprisingly flexible. Motorized lens controls, generous lens shift, and multiple installation options make positioning the projector much easier. Whether it's mounted on the ceiling or placed on a rear shelf, achieving a perfectly aligned image is straightforward and convenient. The clean white finish gives the projector a modern and premium appearance that blends beautifully into dedicated theater rooms or stylish living spaces. Build quality feels solid throughout, reflecting Sony's attention to engineering and long-term reliability. Of course, this projector is designed for buyers who prioritize premium image quality. If you're building a serious home cinema and want performance that will continue to impress for years, the BRAVIA Projector 7 is a fantastic investment. Overall, the Sony BRAVIA Projector 7 combines native 4K resolution, advanced laser projection, exceptional HDR performance, outstanding color accuracy, smooth motion handling, deep contrast, flexible installation, and premium construction into one outstanding home theater package. It delivers exactly what movie lovers, gamers, and entertainment enthusiasts expect from a flagship Sony projector. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews covering the latest projectors, TVs, speakers, and cutting-edge home entertainment technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.